Hey there, fellow preppers! Welcome back. If you're watching this, you already know it's a crazy world out there, and there's no telling what tomorrow might bring. That's why I'm here to make sure you're prepped for the worst and ready for anything. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to Doomsday Prepper and hit that bell icon for notifications on new videos. Today, we're diving into the top 5 items from Harbor Freight that every prepper should have in their survival arsenal. These items are durable, affordable, and extremely useful for emergency situations. Item #1, solar-powered battery charger. First up, we've got the solar-powered battery charger. Picture this. The power grid is down, but you need to charge your phone, GPS, or maybe a rechargeable flashlight. That's where this solar charger comes in handy. Just set it out in the sun, and it'll convert solar energy into battery power for your essential devices. It's not just about staying connected. It's about having access to critical information or using GPS for navigation if you're out in the wild. Try setting it up on your backpack as you hike to charge as you go, or place it by a sunny window in an urban setting to gather power during the day. And here's a tip. Pair it with a portable battery pack to store even more power for the future. Item #2, 12-in-1 MultiTool Kit. Alright, second on the list, the MultiTool Kit. Harbor Freight's 12-in-1 multi-tool is perfect because it packs everything you need into one compact package. Pliers, screwdrivers, a knife, bottle opener, and even a saw. Whether you're building shelter, repairing gear, or needing a knife in a pinch, this tool has you covered. If you're trapped and need to cut through some branches or rope, this little saw can get it done. And the pliers are perfect for gripping hot or rough objects when you don't have gloves handy. Trust me, you'll want one of these in your bug-out bag, your car, and even your everyday carry. You never know when it might save the day. Item #3, LED headlamp. Next up, the LED headlamp. Sure, flashlights are great, but in survival scenarios, you need your hands free, especially if you're cooking, setting up camp, or making repairs. This headlamp is powerful, long-lasting, and fits comfortably on your head. Plus, these LEDs barely drain the batteries, so you get more light for longer. Use it for emergency repairs at night when you're dealing with small parts, or attach it to your bug-out bag as a safety light. Always pack extra AAA batteries, and you'll have reliable light for days. Item #4, portable water filtration system. Number 4 on our list, the portable water filtration system. Water is the most critical survival resource, and this little device could literally save your life. It's small enough to fit in your backpack, but powerful enough to filter out most harmful bacteria, viruses, and other contaminants. You can use it directly from a stream or pond, or fill up your water bottle and filter as you go. It's simple, effective, and ensures you stay hydrated no matter where you are. Don't forget to grab some extra filters. You never know how long you might need them. Item #5. Heavy-duty tarps. Last, but definitely not least, heavy-duty tarps. This is one of the most versatile pieces of gear you can own. Need an emergency shelter? Done. Want to collect rainwater? No problem. Looking for a windbreak, ground cover, or even a way to camouflage supplies? This tarp does it all. And the ones at Harbor Freight are super durable and affordable. You can use it as a quick makeshift tent to stay dry in the rain, or lay it down as a protective ground cover. A pro tip? Pick up different sizes for various uses. Small tarps for personal shelter, larger ones for group needs. Bonus item, storage tote with locking. Lid. Here's a bonus item for you. A sturdy, weatherproof storage tote with a locking lid. This isn't just any storage tote. Harbor Freight has rugged options that are perfect for keeping your essential gear safe and organized. Load it up with your tools, food, or first aid supplies. And when disaster strikes, you've got everything in one portable, secure container. All right, there you have it. 5 must-have Harbor Freight items that every prepper needs, plus a bonus storage tip. These items are affordable, durable, and absolutely essential for anyone serious about prepping. Remember, it's not just about surviving. It's about staying safe, prepared, and self-sufficient no matter what comes your way. If you've got other Harbor Freight finds that you love, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow preppers. Stay prepared, and until next time, stay safe out there.